The Indian Air Force has invited industry stakeholders for an industry outreach program on 22nd December that will help in fostering new partnerships with industry players. China is on the verge of completing a new highway G216 near its contested border with India that will pave the way for the rapid mobilization of Chinese troops. The Border Security Force and Punjab Police has recovered a Chinese-built Pakistani drone carrying contraband items from a field in Punjab's Dal village. The Indian Air Force has inducted the first batch of 5 SAMAR surface-to-air missile systems yesterday that can engage low-flying aerial targets at 12 km range. Southwestern Air Commander flew a sortie in Prachand helicopter and reviewed the operational capabilities of the new squadron being raised. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence has recommended higher budgetary outlay for research and development in the annual defence budget. In a significant development, France has submitted its response to India's tender for buying 26 Rafale marine fighter jets for the Indian Navy. A team of French government officials has flown over from Paris to submit the response to the Indian tender, and they have said that the Indian side will carry out a detailed study of the French bid, including the commercial offer, along with other details of the contract. The Navy chief has directed the officials to ensure that the time frame required for the project is squeezed significantly to ensure early finalization and induction of the Rafale Marine. India's pursuit of 31 Predator-armed drones from the United States has hit a roadblock, as diplomatic tensions between the two nations have taken the center stage. As leaders from both nations engage in efforts to mend relations, voices within Washington's power corridors have begun calling for a reassessment of bilateral defense ties that has impacted the pace of negotiations for crucial military acquisitions. Airbus Defence and Space Spain has secured the important role as the lead contractor for the conversion of 6 pre-owned A321 aircraft procured from Air India into the Netra Mark II airborne early warning and control system for the Indian Air Force. The 6 A321 aircraft will undergo rigorous modifications and ground testing at the Getafe facility in Spain, and will later be flown to India for further customization and integration of the indigenous sensor suite. The Defence Ministry has signed a 1,614 crore rupees contract with Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders for the procurement of 6 next-generation offshore patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard that will be delivered in a total period of 66 months. It will feature several high-tech advanced features and equipment, like multi-purpose drones, artificial intelligence capabilities, and wirelessly controlled remote water rescue craft lifebuoy that will enable greater flexibility and operational advantage. Today's top 3 comments.
SAMAR dropped it.